What's up guys? So today was my day off and I decided to go with my friend to the canyons, and he had a little surprise for me. He gave me his old HIDs because he's selling his 95 Accord, so these are off a 95 Accord. But he told me the size bulbs and everything, and it should be the same one as the Integra. These are what are these? 100 watt HID. I have both right here. I'm gonna install them right now. It's a little late right now. What time is it? It is 7:30, 7:40. So let's go do this. One, I actually already have HIDs, but they're cheaper. I think he told me these were around $100. Mine were only like 40. And these are how my HIDs look like right now. They're a little off. They're not center. But let's see. I think this is the 6000K. So they look like. You can't even see. But yeah, let's see. We're gonna switch them, see the difference. I think it's the 6000K as well. So it's gonna be the same color. It's like a bluish white. But let's see, let me open this up right now. So I just came back from the canyon, so engine is hot right now. Alright, so I wish my car wasn't hot right now because I just came back from the canyons. And these are the new ones right here, the ones he just gave me for free. Shout out to him. It's right here. Now I'm about to take out the old ones so I can show you the difference. This one is really big, this ballast. Alright, so this is mine right here. This is the one I bought originally. I believe the size 9006 with a 6000K light. And this one should be the same, 9006 6K, 6000K. At first I thought this one was gonna be more bulkier because of the big block right here. But as you can see, this one has more wires, makes it look more tangled up, more messy. So about to put on one of them, see the difference between one and one. Alright, so I got it in. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to tuck it somewhere so it won't be so messy like these over here. I had them tucked pretty nice. Have it under this right here, the ABS. Can't really see it, but it's under there somewhere. This one I like. I'm proud of that tuck. But for this one I'm gonna have to figure out because of this big bulky thing. So let me see, let me turn it on. See, nothing explodes. Hopefully it works. Alright, so there it is. See which one takes longer to prime up. They're about the same. Mine are a little bit more blue. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, these are more like a whitish, greenish color. really would have to. Let me see. Let me close the garage door. See how it looks like. So there's a difference right here. It does seem to have, it does give a little bit more, oh yeah, it does give more light, but it's more of a whitish, greenish. I like my blue ones over there, but I like visibility, so I'm gonna rock them for a bit, see if I like it more. But yeah, let me put the other one on and I'll be back. So as I was taking off the other one, I touched the bulb on accident with my finger, or not my finger, but my palm right here. Oh well, this is what I get being a dumbass. But let's see how they look now. Let's see. Turn off the light. There's my old ones right there. Show them better right now. Alright. There's my keys. And let's see both of them. Gonna warm up. Oh, they're way brighter than my old ones, which is good for me because I'm not good in the night driving. But maybe it's because of my old HIDs. Maybe they're not good enough. These are way brighter. Alright, so these are my older ones right here. The ones that I bought them around 40 bucks, 45 bucks. And then my friend was telling me he bought his for like around 100. It's bigger, better watts. These are mine right here. I pretty much traded, or not traded, but he gave me his, which has a bigger, this block right here. This one. Did I take a picture? Oh well. But his is bigger right here. But these have more like wiring to them, which makes it look not that nice in the engine bay. But yeah, they're nice. Yeah, more visibility for me, which I like for the night driving. It's not as blue as I wanted them to be, because mine are more blue. These are more of a green shade, but it'll do for now, unless I decide to turn back and use my old ones again later on. But I have both for now. That's it for today. Alright, later.